Good morning. Time to take a look at overnight market trade. Dennis Smith of Archer Financial Services joining us. Good morning, Dennis.
Hey, good morning, Mac.
Well, we had a little strength in wheat. The strength of wheat continued for the fifth day yesterday. How are we doing this morning?
Yeah, wheat futures are slightly higher in the overnight market. May wheat's up 3/4 of a cent, 5.08, so it's near its overnight high. July wheat, new crop wheat up a half cent right now.
All right, corn and beans suffering a little weakness yesterday. Looks like they're also kind of doing what they did yesterday this morning.
Yeah, pulling back slightly. May corn down 3/4 of a cent, near its overnight low at 3.87 3/4, and the May soybean contract down 4.5, 9.86, overnight low 9.83 1/4.
All right, Dennis, describe the texture and the tone of the markets as we wrap up the week.
Well, the bean market and the corn market, I honestly still have to say this has been going on for quite some time, holding up better than expected. It's just not been a big bear move market like what we've expected, given the fundamental information, large soybean ending stocks, record large South American crop, went through South American growing season without a hitch. We just keep going along with bearish fundamentals, and the market doesn't break. Now the corn market's starting to base in as well ahead of our growing season. So overall, it's been a very pleasant surprise, a very well-supported market.
Excellent. And the strength of the U.S. dollar, though, putting a hit on exports, also indicating that maybe U.S. interest rates will be going up. Is that a negative to agriculture?
Well, it is in terms of the dollar and the strength of the dollar, and if it continues, it's certainly a headwind, making our exportable products, whether it's corn, beans, wheat, or beef or pork, more expensive to our export customers.
All right. Livestock, how are we going to wrap up the week today, do you think?
Hogs put in new contract lows across the board yesterday, and then they came off the lows into the close, but they're not done yet. So I expect a choppy and lower trade in hogs. Cattle futures, we've enjoyed a nice upward correction. It's just that, a correction. Maybe we hold together. Probably going to see another round of cash strength in the steer trade today.
All right. Excellent insight. Dennis Smith, Archer Financial Services, thanks so much for getting up with us on Fridays.
You're welcome.
Have a great day. It's 4:53. Coming up next, another check of the weather, and we'll give you a preview of what's coming up next on the Valley Today.